I made an unboxing and review video of the GF07 GPS tracker in 2019. But I received a lot of comments from you. The most common comment is that this device is not working. This is a quick video. I will tell you why some devices are not working and whether you should buy this device at this time in 2024. I will share with you my personal opinion. I am not affiliated with the manufacturer or seller of this GPS tracker. I am also a buyer and user like you. Should you buy this GF07 GPS tracker in 2024? My answer is no. If you are from a country where there is no 2G network connection. In many countries, the 2G network service has been switched off in the past few years. This is the reason of GF07 GPS tracker is not working. This device uses the obsolete 2G network and does not support 3G or 4G. So avoid buying this tracker if you are from one of those countries. However, you have another option which I will explain later. If your country still has 2G network service, you can buy this tracker. It will still work, but keep in mind that this technology is becoming obsolete soon. Countries like India, Pakistan and Bangladesh still have 2G networks. Here is a simple trick. If an old keypad mobile phone is working in your country, then this device will work because both are using the 2G network. The best option is to choose a GPS tracker that supports 3G or 4G network and comes with a SIM card. This type of tracker requires some monthly or yearly fees, but it provides better service than the GF07 GPS tracker. I will put some updated tracker links in the video description for you to check. Thank you for watching. See you soon.